Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CodeGems 27 by Vasudha, and we are here for learning Python. Today I will tell you how the print statement works in Python, how exactly the print statement structure is. Okay, so normally the first program in every language is to print something on output screen. So in Python, you just try print keyword, that is a function. So that's why we have taken here round brackets, because every function is having round brackets after it. Within these round bracket, you put double quotations, or single quotation also is allowed in Python. Then you just write whatever you want to print. So suppose we want to print hello Vasudha, that is my name. So this is the print statement in Python. Click on run, and this is hello Vasudha. Exactly the same way we have written in double quotations within the print statement. Then I am just using one more print statement, and here I am writing bye. Click on run. So this will give me hello Vasudha and bye on the output screen. You can see on the right hand side. This is the online compiler I am using for showing you the practical over here. On left side we will write our program, and when we click on run button, output will be displayed on this right side window. Okay, now you can see by default when we are using two print statements, the first line is giving output in first line and second line is giving output in the next line, not in the exactly same line. So means by default the print statement puts a new line at the end of the line, means it starts a new line automatically. Why? Because the actual syntax of print statement is like this: print, then you put double quotation, that is a string, right? This is the string. Then after, when you just finish your strings, then there are two keywords specified in between the print statements automatically, that is a sep and end. And the by default values are these, already specified in compiler for Python. SCP is a space by default value, and the end is backslash n. Backslash n is a escape sequence character specifying new line. Means at the end of the strings within the print statement, a new line will be given. That is a kind of, when you write something in Word or Notepad, you press enter, right, after finishing a line. So here it is already specified in compiler that a new line will be started after finishing the string within the print statement. You can change that. It is not fixed, it is there, by default value is that, but you can change it. How? See here now, if I just run this code exactly, so there will be three lines: hello Vasudha, bye, and string. Now I want to change that by, after by, the string I want to print in the same line. So I will change the value of end over here to a full stop and space. So now run the code. You can see, sorry, comma is missing, sorry. So hello Vasudha is in different line, because for that I have not changed the value for end. For by string I have changed the value of end. So you can see this full stop and a space, this is given by my end statement over here, and then this string is printed in the same line. Okay, fine. So this is the end. In place of full stop I can also put something else. Suppose I want to put these hyphens over there, so that will also be done. You can see now end is replaced by, that is backslash n is replaced by hyphens. Okay, now you will see sep over here. What is sep then? Sep works for multiple statements within the print statement. Like I am writing by 1, comma, by 2, comma, by 3. So these three strings I have taken in print statements now. So these will be separated by a space because the by default value for sep is a space. So when I will run the code, it will be a new line by 1 space by 2 and by 3. Okay, this is the default value. Now if I want to change the space in between these three strings to a special character or some other character, then what I can do is scp is equals to, I want to put comma and a space in between these bys, so we can change that to that symbol. Now you can see the difference. It was a space only, now it is comma and a space over here. In place of comma and space you can also put a hyphen, this. Okay, so this is how end and sep works in print statement. These are the by default values, but you can change them. And yes, you can specify sep and end together, or one or none of them at once. Okay, if you are not specifying, but the by default values will be picked up. If you want to change them, you can specify them. Okay guys, so that's how print statement works in Python. So this is all for today. In next lecture video, I will take a new topic and we will discuss that. Till then, bye bye and thank you so much. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for learning Python with Vasudha. And till then, bye bye.